Okay, I'm now filming at 1080p at 60 frames per second. This is also a test for the microphone on the camera, and I do have electronic image stabilization, so I'll do just like a few seconds in this resolution. I'm now filming in 4K at 25 frames per second to get our electronic image stabilization. We're limited to 25. I'm also testing the microphone in the camera at the same time, and I'll just do here a few seconds to compare this footage with our 1080p resolution. I'm now walking in the same area with the GoPro Hero5 at 1080p 60 frames per second, and since you can set the field of view on the GoPro, I am in linear mode, not the wide or super wide. I'm also testing at the same time the voice on with the microphone built in the GoPro. Just going to walk here again a few seconds like I did with the EKEN. It's a bit more windy now than it was just 5 minutes ago. I'm now with the GoPro again, and at the 4K at 30 frames per second, and on the Hero5 Session there is no image stabilization in 4K. I'm doing again a normal walk, and again testing the microphone at the same time, and a few seconds here to compare this footage with the EKEN H6s. So now with the camera on the bicycle at 1080p 60 frames per second, and we do have image stabilization at 60 frames per second. So we'll compare this footage with the 4K, and I'll do a few seconds again for comparison. Now we'll do the exact same area in 4K this time at 25 frames per second to have our image stabilization on, and I'll do a few seconds again to compare with 1080p.